A colossal asteroid hurtles toward Earth, unstoppable and unforgiving. In an instant, the world is torn apart, reshaped by fire and fury. What happens next will change the course of life forever. The asteroid approached Earth in absolute silence, a city-sized behemoth of rock and metal, its surface scarred by eons of cosmic collisions. It had wandered the solar system for millions of years, an aimless traveler unaware of its final destination. Then, fate aligned its trajectory with Earth's orbit, and gravity seized it, accelerating its descent. As it punched through the upper atmosphere, the air around it compressed and ignited, turning night into a searing, white-hot day. A deafening shockwave preceded its impact, ripping apart the air before the asteroid ever touched the ground. The moment of impact shattered the landscape. The energy released was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating at once, sending a plume of superheated rock and debris miles into the sky. A crater over 100 miles wide formed in an instant, the ground rippling outward like water disturbed by a stone. Fires ignited across continents as molten ejecta rained down, setting forests and plains ablaze. Tsunamis, hundreds of feet high, raced across oceans, swallowing coastlines and drowning entire landmasses beneath their unrelenting force. The Earth itself trembled, sending seismic waves reverberating through the crust, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions around the world. The atmosphere darkened with the thick veil of debris thrown into the sky. Dust and ash choked the sun, plunging the planet into a prolonged darkness. Photosynthesis halted as plants withered and died, and with them, the creatures that depended on them for sustenance. Entire ecosystems collapsed, the food chain unraveling at a pace too rapid for adaptation. The oceans turned acidic as sulfur and carbon compounds reacted with water, poisoning marine life and disrupting delicate balances. The very fabric of the biosphere trembled on the edge of extinction. Yet, amid the devastation, life endured. In the shadows of catastrophe, the survivors, small, adaptable, and resilient, clung to existence. Deep underground, within burrows, and in the depths of the ocean, life persisted. As the skies began to clear, and the sun's warmth returned, the survivors emerged into a world unrecognizable. The dominant species of the past were gone, leaving room for new life to evolve and thrive. What followed was a period of rapid diversification, as nature, in its ceaseless drive, filled the void left behind. New predators, new prey, new landscapes, Earth reshaped itself in the wake of destruction. Over millions of years, the scars of the impact faded. The crater eroded, its edges softened by wind and rain. Forests reclaimed the land, rivers carved new paths, and oceans teemed with life once more. The planet bore the memory of its violent past, hidden in layers of rock and fossils, waiting to be uncovered by the curious minds of a future species. And as they studied the remnants of that ancient cataclysm, they would come to understand a fundamental truth, that the forces that destroy also pave the way for creation, and that, in the grand scale of time, even the most violent upheavals are but moments in Earth's endless transformation. In a universe where cosmic impacts have shaped the fate of planets, Earth has endured and adapted. Chicxulub-like impacts remind us of the fragile yet resilient nature of life. As we look to the stars and prepare for the future, the question remains, could history repeat itself? Understanding these past events may be key to ensuring humanity's survival against the next great cosmic threat. High-volume keywords: asteroid impact, Chicxulub crater, mass extinction event, dinosaur extinction, meteor impact, Earth history, cosmic collision, impact crater, global catastrophe, ancient asteroid, planetary destruction, asteroid strike, extinction-level event, space rock collision, asteroid explosion, planetary impact, Earth's past disasters, asteroid apocalypse, asteroid science, cataclysmic event. From the ashes of destruction, life finds a way to rise again. The planet endures, reshaped by catastrophe, proving that even the most violent events forge the path for new beginnings.